Everyone, and welcome back to another Jayrocks video. So here we are today, and I've got a hedge reduction on that I want to take you around. First of all, just want to apologise about the audio. I'm using a new GoPro 10 here, and I don't have the media kit that's arrived yet to put my mic in. So anyway, I'm just going to show you around this now. This is the hedge that we've got here. It's just one side and all the way up there as well. So like you can see, I tried to go with the rope to begin with. That hasn't worked, so I've put up some marking paint just for like tree spray with my height gauge there, just the rough garden telescopic, and I'm just going to basically try and reduce it. This is about 17 foot high, thereabouts, and I am just trying to get some form of level to it, hopefully, so it basically looks like the hedge on this side over here. So just going by, I'll show you what I've done on this corner as well. On this top end, we're not reducing the top, we're just simply trimming it, but I have already taken it in on the side. So showing down there is what we've done last time, and it was way out to here where you can see where all the mud was. So I've taken about 3 foot off that side already. That's why it's so bare, and this will just be getting shaped up on top to keep the top privacy. This will be taken in on this corner, and then like you can see, I've already trimmed the sides. It just needs reduced. So yeah, that's today's job. We'll see how it gets on, and yeah, I'll be interested to see the quality of this video using the new GoPro. So thanks for bearing with me, and I hope you enjoy the video. So just nice and quick, everyone always questions battery power, what I can do, you know, just a few minutes there and it's reduced that. If you look at some of the thicknesses here, you know, very capable, and that is the Husqvarna HD60. Anyway, time to crack on. See, further up here, so I was using a short reach hedge trimmer, And obviously now I've changed over to long reach just to try and minimise the work on that far side. But yeah, it's not going to be the neatest thing in the world, but reductions are never are. So we'll see how far we get on with this. So my plan with this GoPro was, if I never liked it, then I'll try it today and then I'd send it back. As you just seen then, I dropped it, so now I can't send it back regardless, so I hope it's alright. So anyway, here we are. You can just see by the sheer amount that we've got that's fallen down there, cut off, how much we've got through. And some of these are, you know, absolutely hench. Some of these are about 7 foot long or so, you know, 6 foot, 7 foot. But that's where we are. So that's got the level height. Next I'm going to go on the other side and take it from that angle as well, and sort of just get this flattened, and we'll see how we are for time there. So I've just finished off the whole of that side, and I'm going to I'll chuck up a little screen grab of what this hedge used to look like. That's it now, with that one coming down. I literally had tips that were up as high as the top of the light there, so that is down a huge amount. And without going into the property, that is how much we've got to currently chip, and that's without even starting this one. So on a job like this, what I try and do is I try and work out the budgeted hours. What that basically is how long I think it's going to take to do it, and then from there I kind of work up the price. On this one I expected 12 budgeted hours, so a day and a half, and I am currently at somewhere around 7, so I've got about 5 hours to get this done, what is pretty unlikely. Don't think I'll do it, but even if I'm just in behind, that's exactly why I put the buffer in. Right, good morning everyone. Here we are, day 2. Only did half a day yesterday, but it did come to last night. So today we're going to get into it, carry on what we've been doing. Now using my phone. The media kit came last night for the GoPro, and today I forgot all the batteries. So I am all over the place with that one. So it's just much of the same. I'm going to crack on, do a bit more time lapses, and just get this job done. Right, so as you just kind of seen there, the chipper's struggling. I think not because of its power or anything like that. I'm pretty sure it's its blades. I think its blades need to change, so that's not going too well. Although I had problems with storage, so that's why I've been missing some of the videos. It's not a great angle, but we're getting up there. And all I'm doing on these, literally moving the ladder up, so that's a gauge, still at the same height. And what I've literally done is just mark the pole, the little black line you can see there, and by marking that, that's the same height all the way through. What is giving me, I don't know how well you can see this from the sun. Let's take that glove up there, nice straight line all the way up. So what I'm doing is just literally pepper potting forward there by just moving that pole one way, ladders, take out the front, and then go into the back. So it's just a repeat process from now on going through, so I'm not taking that much footage. Plus, like I say, I messed up with the camera today, so apologies for that. This video is going to be a bit different than what I first expected it to be, but that's my process, just moving one way forward and then sort of taking a bit off at the time, and when we get next year's growth, it'll sort of even off. Right then, so this is definitely one of them moments where you kind of wish you weren't a one-man band. So we are now, we're just all of this side. You can see these high parts, and I just need to get them from the other side. I've done the very top end as well. I'm not going to go take you around. That side's down, and then look at this. So I had someone, the guy I had with me, chipping for about 3 hours, and we've still got all of that. Now, just to show you the depth, look at all that. So there's all that, and there's everything else that's dotted around the property that still needs chipped, and we're currently about 1 ton bag in. So let's see how this goes. Right then, that's us just about done there, apart from the waste part. So you've seen from down there, it's now reduced all the way up this hill. I'll show you the top view in just a second. And basically we still got all the waste there. The chipper's not chipping properly, must be either the blades, or they'll need renewed, or I need to get a higher. So I'm going to leave that out of the video. Taking this right back up here on this side, so that all the lorries or anything that's passing, it's not sticking out. And that is the reduction all the way down the hill. Yeah, so sorry for the lack of content on this one. It's just been one of them that you end up just hitting some problems along the way, and the job takes priority over the video. And so it's just one of them. I just had an absolute shock in the last couple of days with this one. It's one of them that I'm glad to almost have finished. Like I say, I must have a good few tons of waste ready that I still need to get ready and get away. So whether I do that through a third-party company or whatnot, I am unsure at the moment. But hope you enjoyed this video, even though it was a bit all over the place, or it feels like it anyway. Yeah, thanks for tuning in, and there'll be more to come in this year. It's going to get really ramped up this year, hopefully at least weekly. So anyway, thanks for joining in. Any questions at all, comment below and let me know what you thought.